What are your thoughts on the game?
It's just nonsense, it's utter nonsense. Like how every week, Sarab used to do Arsenal loss reaction. The time has come that a Manchester United fan has to do that.
Maybe we'll get some views.
Fuck the views, bro. I swear right now, all that matters is winning, and we're not winning. We're losing. Losses and draws, it happens week in, week out. When is the last time you won a game? I can't remember the last time you won a game. Can you?
And if you watch the game, it was end to end.
Yeah.
And end to end is not how you win titles, to be honest. If you want to win titles, you're supposed to be dominating games.
100%.
The defense was trash, the players didn't play well, and I expected more from Cristiano also, to be very honest.
Maybe a management is not doing the right job, or people aren't doing what they're supposed to do. But it's just not convincing right now, and it just leaves a bad taste in the mouth, to be honest. Yeah.
I think it's time for Ole to walk. I think we have had enough. We have Conte on speed dial, we have Zidane on speed dial, and the football is just too slow at the moment. Like, you've been seeing this since January, even though the results were great last season, but the football has been fucking shit, man. I can't emphasize on this enough. I think the football is too lethargic, we're slow. It's not Man United. It's not the Man United that we would like to see. And now that the football is shit and the results are not there, I think it's time for him to walk. I think we need a new manager in charge who can lift the squad, because the squad is great, right?
Exactly.
We have Ronaldo, we have such great players on our team. On paper, we're probably the best team in the league.
The only trophy we won this season is the transfer window.
Yeah.
But that's something that leaves fans happy.
100%.
And that's what leaves the owners happy. Ultimately, you want the team to be doing well for a sustained period of happiness. It's not working out for United right now.
It's just gotten too much. And as I've said earlier, there's only one reason. The manager, that's it. We were so open in our defense. Our defense was open 24/7. Every Iheanacho's cutting through in so easily. Everyone's getting they're getting chances so easily. And it's a thing that when De Gea performs, the defense won't perform. When the defense performs, De Gea makes silly errors. I don't understand what's happening with this team. Like, someone please explain to me, what is this reason? How do you fix this?
What do you think is the change that can help you all convert this superstar-studded team into actually winning trophies and winning games like this, which was so important?
The sense of belief comes with a sense of domination. A sense of domination comes with a sense of tactics at this point.
And that comes with...
I don't think a sense of tactics comes very easily. Only comes from the right place.
Yeah.
But you need people who understand the game as well.
I don't know what to say. It's not done. We're losing 4-2. Who concedes 4 goals? We spent 400 million on our defense and we're conceding 4 goals. What the fuck?
But what tactics? There are no tactics. We're just passing the ball down the back. We're passing it sideways. It's like school football. When your school coach would tell you, yeah, bro, go play. Just play with vibes. It's that play with passion. But where are the tactics? We don't have Pep Guardiola to teach us that. I don't know what we're doing on the pitch, and that's why we're suffering on the pitch, because the results aren't coming this season.
Ole in or Ole out? Just one word.
Ole stand by.
Yeah, I wasn't until now, because he's a United legend and I would like to be patient with him, but I think this match has tipped it over for me, so now I would say I'm Ole out.
Dude, I'd rather get Wayne Rooney to replace him. I'd rather Carrick become the main manager to replace him. This guy has no tactics. He has no tactics. I'd rather become a manager of fucking AOA. Glazers. Come here, I'm ready. Take me, I'll do a better job. I'll get you at least 3 wins in a month, yeah? In a month you're not getting 3 wins? Fucking hell. That's it, bro. I'm done. I have nothing else to say. That's it.
I'm Ole out now. I used to be like, we should give him a chance. But then after seeing so many losses back to back, I was like, fuck that, Ole out for sure.